Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Quincy, and today I am going to show you how to record your iPhone to your Mac. You might want to do this to share your screen with someone for them to see what you're doing, sharing files, videos, tutorials, something that can become really beneficial, whether you have an iMac or a MacBook Pro. You'll only need 3 things, and just follow these steps. Keep watching. Alright, a few things to go over. This is absolutely free. So what you will need in order to record your iPhone to your Mac is 3 things. And we'll go ahead and start with, you would need this lightning cable right here, connected from the bottom of your iPhone to the back or wherever your connection is on your Mac. Second thing you're going to need, of course, is an iPhone with an operating system of iOS 8 or later. And then, of course, you're going to need a Mac. Once you plug up your iPhone to your Mac, it's usually going to pop up a window of photos that's on your iPhone. You can close that out, and you can either bring up QuickTime Player right here in your toolbar, or you can click Search on your top right, QuickTime Player. It's already open in my toolbar, so I'm going to right-click on it. You can either right-click, or you can go to File and hit New Movie Recording. Once you hit New Movie Recording, your screen, what's on your screen, should pop up, which is actually mirroring your iPhone. You can either make it smaller or larger. In this case, I'll leave it large. And now we are duplicating what's on my screen. It's pretty simple. Of course, I have my TikTok up. Let's go to this toolbar right here in the center, and there's a drop-down arrow next to the red record button. Hit the drop-down arrow, and it is going to show for a camera, what do you want to select? So you want to select your iPhone. It's going to ask you, what do you want to pull the audio from? And so, of course, we have a few different options, and you want to also check your iPhone. Once that's done, you can hit the record button in the middle, and we'll just see exactly what it does. Hit record, it's recording. Let's bring up a video. Hey, Moreland, where are you going?
The bell rang, I have to go.
This will come in handy if you wanted to make TikTok compilations, even give tutorials. And hey, that's pretty much it, guys. That is how you share your iPhone screen to your Mac. Simple and plain with those 3 things. Let me know if you like this video tutorial by giving it a like. And also, hey, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right? I'll see you guys later.